So, good morning from Ohio, the Buckeye State. Nice early morning, Tuesday. We're just going to show you this old 53 Alice Chalmers I got here. I know, bite your tongue, right? I've got a farm all too. I don't know why I keep saying that, but anyhow, let's see this baby start out. See how she does it. I usually don't have to choke it, but because I've got one hand to use, I'll probably have to choke it. So anyhow, I can't, I'm gonna try to back her up here if I can. That's just covering the gas cap, makes sure no moisture gets in it at night. That's the only reason that's on there. I got 1, 2, 3. Alright, just making sure I'm not running over pumpkins here. There we go. Let's see if I got her enough here. Yeah, we got pumpkin plants there, but alright, there we go. And I will pull that off of there in just a second. We had the guy that had this before me, that something fell on the gas tank in the barn. So on down the road, we'll see. Maybe I can find a replacement tank. But this is our 1953 Farmall WD, plain straight WD. And what's confusing to many is the curve shifter. Typically the curve shifter is only on WD 45s, but about the last year